people, what does the boss do? Watch the fucking YouTube video in the truck.
While you're busy fucking sweating your balls off.
All right, so look at this, the ZILA XL 255 Pro. It's for professionals. It's not for people like you and me. It's for real professionals. But anyway, so we got this tanker here. We're not going to show you any company names, but there's a tail section here. And then customer says it's leaking right there and right there. So I was wondering if there was a seam underneath here, underneath the stiffener. And it sure does not look like it. What it does look like though is that there is a bunch of corrosion in it, and probably something rotted out under the stiffener somehow. That's what I'm thinking here right now. Well, neither here nor there. So I just kind of measured from here to the first seam. It's 8 feet, and there's another stiffener, another seam, 8 feet, another stiffener, another seam, 8 feet, another stiffener, another seam, 8 feet. You can get the idea of what's happening here. But so the seams, the ones that are exposed that you can see, I mean, they don't look great, but they don't look horrible. Even where there's a little bit battle scars, they seem to be holding up just fine, even though they look a little bit cold here. But I believe that here where the water is entrapped, it's rusting out under those stiffeners. So looking at this, I believe what we should do is cap this off somehow here, then weld all these stitches solid, and yeah, it's pretty deep down here. This is pretty deep in that spot. Yeah, look at how deep the corrosion is in there. So not the prettiest welds ever, but seeing that we were out there at 20 mile an hour wind, and having the cement powder everywhere, and having 2 or 3 coats totaling about 1/8 inch thick worth of the latex paint on this tanker trailer. It was just horrible and miserable to weld through this. Stick welding process came through here for us, and yeah, it may not look pretty, but spoiler alert, it was holding pressure just fine. We tested this before we left. So after welding here the whole day and half the night, way past midnight, finally we got it all tight, and you'll see the pressure test. At 6 pounds, looking for leaks. Well, this side is good. The other side was good too. It hardly didn't lose any pressure, if it even lost any. One of the 6-inch butterfly valves on the end was only so tight. So there's the machine that came through for us. And here you enjoy a couple pictures of mediocre looking welds. And right there, that's what the bathtub looks like when you come home and shower.